Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. Make money online. Today in this video, I will share you a video about how you can claim free hashtag airdrop worth 10,000 US dollar. Yes, guys, that's 10,000 US dollar stack. So to join the airdrop, you must have a Telegram app installed in your device. Then you have to follow the link. I will provide you the link in the description. Then you have to follow this step. First, when you join the airdrop bot, then you have to start your bot. Then you have to fill the captcha like I did. Then you can see the message like this, and you can click on the continue, and you have to follow these tasks. Guys, what are these tasks? Actually, you have to follow their social media accounts. You have to just retweet, you can see their hashtag telegram group channel and twitter account, and on their account on the medium platform as well, and their advertisers twitter account and their youtube channel as well. Once you done that, then you have to provide your details regarding your uh, uh, own profile, like with which you follow their or follow their task using your profile links. So you can see, once you done, as in the first step, you can see that you join hashtag telegram group channel. Then you have to click done, and you have to similarly follow the hashtag twitter account, as you can see on the second number as well, one by one. Then you have to provide your profile link as I done like this. You have to copy your twitter profile from your twitter account profile picture. You can click on the share, and then you can get your profile link and you can paste here. Similarly, you can get your medium profile link and paste here as well. Then you have to follow their advertiser telegram, that is at the rate airdrop inspector. Once you done that, then you have to follow the twitter advertiser account as well. Then you can provide your youtube channel with whom you just follow their youtube channel. Then you have to give them your Binance Smart Chain BEP20 wallet address. You can copy by just getting into the Trust Wallet app and get your Smart Chain wallet address and paste here. Once you do that, then you can see the message like thank you with your username, and see the message and your referral link. You can invite your friends, and you can claim more hashtag free bonus as well. As you can see here, 4 stack each for 2000 randomly selected participant, 10 stack each for top 200 referral. Top 200 referral winners list will be shared after the distributions. So after you providing all your details regarding their task, you can see your detail here as well. You can also edit, if you provided them some wrong details, you can check their additional information as well. You can also know what is the hashtag. Hashtag is a decentralized financial network that provides multi-chain interoperable complex blockchain applications and protocols to serve the real needs of millions of underserved people around the world. At hashtag, they followed the DeFi revolution right from its cusp. According to them, they constructed pretty much every promising product over the past 20 months, attempting to understand the what, the way, the what, the why, and the how behind them. The gathered insight helped them build a comprehensive understanding of the possibilities of decentralized finance. Soon we began working on the problems and opportunities we could address through DeFi. We named the project hashtag. So you can also check these details as well. You can also click on the stats, and you can get this menu as well. You can also go back if you want to. So guys, if you are new to my youtube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my youtube channel. I will provide you the link in the description. Please stay tuned for the more videos, and please hit the subscribe button and like button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.